Hey you guys, so I know top of my head is cut off, but I'm trying to test my new microphone right here, right here. But I got a package in the mail, which is another practice hand. Y'all know I have two already that are like the silicone type. I have the half hand with just the four fingers. Don't know where it's at. It's somewhere in here somewhere. I was looking for it, and then of course this one that's basically the same as this one, but they're a little bit different. But let me open it and show you what it is. And of course, it came from Amazon. It doesn't really say much on the box. Don't worry about my nails; they are eat up. But I've been doing nails. That's why I don't really like doing my own nails because they get messed up when I'm doing clients' nails. But it's all good. That's what I get paid for, and I can always fix my nails. But it is what it is. So let me kind of show you guys. So it comes, the reason why I got this is because I want to start recording. And anytime I'm recording, trying to, I hope y'all hear that. Anytime I'm recording, trying to use that hand, like the little stand thing I have, it keeps falling over. So it's frustrating. So it comes with this little bracket. I hope the light isn't washing y'all out, but. And then this is the reason why I really got it, for this piece, so it can hold on to the end of my tape. Then it comes with the hand, of course. We'll open the hand up later. Let's see what else in the box. Okay, so they have nail tips in the box. And it looks like, they are actually sized off to each finger. Yeah, it's sized off to each finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they give you 10 sets to put into the fingers. Okay, move that out the way. Next is the hand. And I got the one that's like a little further down, like right before the wrist. As you can see, this one is in the middle of the hand, like mid hand. This one comes down to the wrist. I was going to get the one that had the wrist included, but I was like, nah, not going to worry about it because that part really won't be shown. But here's the the hand, I'm sorry. And I feel like I got pretty big hands. And that's my hand. That's the hand. Check the nail beds. And what was concerning me is that sometimes when you get these hands, some nail tips won't fit in them properly. I normally turn my nail tips backwards. So if this doesn't work, I'm going to try it for you guys. Give me a minute. Okay, so when I normally do my practice hands, I normally take a full wheel tip, turn it backwards, and then put a half tip or partial tip, however you call it, onto the nail. So let's see, because I'm quite sure if they sent these, of course these will fit in the hand, but let's see if these fit, because these are what I actually use when I'm working on a finger. So this is a size, I think 7. And these nail beds are kind of small. Okay, and what I'm going to do, it feels like it goes back far now. Let's see where it stops at. So it stops about here, but I'm looking around because what I don't want is that lift at the end. So normally I cut these down. So let me cut it down how I normally would do it and see if it's going to fit properly, sit in there properly, rather. cut it down because I need it to be flush with the nail bed, not sticking up, and none of that, because that's just a waste. Okay, so even though it's clear, you can kind of see it's flush with it. It's not sticking up. Let me try to give y'all an example. I got some fingers that do that, and I don't work with them because of that. I might put them in just a giveaway box too, because I've had them for a while, and I don't use them due to that. They got glitter and stuff all over them because they sit in my desk. This one has glitter on it. But what I mean, try to wipe it off, but it has glitter on it. It's just glitter. But let me try a 6, maybe a 6. What I mean is you see how long this part is? When I put it in there backwards, put it in there backwards, and it comes back up here. But you see what I'm talking about? The only way it's going to sit down is if you put it in there that way, and it gives a narrow tip, like that narrowness, so you really couldn't put a tip onto it. Unlike this, it gives you that wideness to where you could put a tip on it. So that was what I was worried about, and it actually did. And I can show y'all guys, even if I cut it down, it's still going to have that poking up. So I cut that little tip. So this is the wide part. This is the wide part that I need. Even when I cut it off, you see, it still hooks back. And this is me pushing it all the way to the end. Even if I bring it up, still has that little gap. And that's a no. When you're trying to practice your acrylic application and stuff like that, you don't want that. So I may clean these off. I have 2 of them, and put them in one of the gift things, or put one in each giveaway. And make sure we get into 500, y'all. I know I haven't been doing my videos how I was supposed to, but there's been a lot going on in my life. Not that or anything like that. It's just busy and a bunch of things to do. So I did make 2 other videos, but I couldn't transfer them over because my other phone is not allowing me to use my laptop to transfer it over. So that's what really made me go and purchase a camera. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to be back on it, but I want to show you the new hand that we're going to be using. Oh, I should have kind of showed you maybe that it connects to here. So this piece fits in here, and you just tighten it right here. And then this gets tightened, of course, by using this. And then you will take this off. I believe take this off. Yeah, loosen it a little bit. Loosen it. And then the hand, and put the, almost like you're doing a little foam thing. And then tighten it. Real simple. Nothing too hard to major. Just tighten it back up. And there you go. Sitting in there. And then you just put it onto the table, into the table, which I don't think it's going to come out far enough, so I may have to end up doing a little kind of different kind of way of working it, but I'll figure it out. But you guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.